any written assurance. Apologize for inconvenience because we have some constraint responsibility, so we have to do.
হ্যাঁ সামনে ঢুকে যেতে হবে বিদ্যুৎ চেক করে আমি লেগে যাবো
Now we can start. It is statement of the party of Tripura Mata. So I am reading.
Ruben,
After that, I will request my senior colleagues, both of them will share in Bengali also. It is in English.
আমি জানি কেন
Press release. As highlighted on several occasions in the past by our party leadership, we would like to reiterate that we shall not form any alliance with any political party until we are given any written assurances on our core ideological demand of a permanent constitutional solution for the indigenous people of the state, that is Greater Tripura land. Today, we have not received any written proposal or assurance from any national party, and hence any speculation in the media about Tripura's alliance for the 2023 Tripura State Assembly election is entirely baseless and holds no substance. Tripura is not merely a political party who are in a movement and will not compromise on the hopes and aspirations of millions who have supported us throughout our journey. It is a fact that in past, all the political alliance by regional parties with the national parties without any written agreement or minimum guarantee have not done any justice to the indigenous people. As the party is rapidly increasing its footprints across the state, the party leadership has decided to field candidates from all communities and of religion across several SC and non-reserved seats as well. And we aim to cross the absolute majority mark on our own. The party leadership is working on finalizing the candidates list, which shall be published soon. For every Tripura warriors, our people and our party are supreme, and the decision of our Honorable Chairman Bhubhadra Bhadut Vikram Manikka in regard to the State Assembly election shall be the final and would be acceptable to all. For our Honorable Chairman shall meet the media in the coming days to brief on the above mentioned as well as several other urgent and important issues. Thank you. This is the press release we signed. Prem Kumar and three others came. They met us and they met our chairman. And according to them, they were very cordial our side also we were present. We welcomed them. We congratulated them also. Then finally, they had faced one pressman also. He came and he asked details. And they said, let us have some time so that we can approach to other members of IPFTO, those who are still outside of them at the very point of time in Guwahati. So they will come to state and they will meet other colleagues, those are still available, and they will sit together and they will convey the message to our chairman, Maharashtra. And they are trying, not will, but they are trying so that they come together one time to join the Tripura. That is what we have learned from them. And regarding our meeting with other leaders of other parties in the state, we have no record of it. But we still send message that we want that we should come together so that we can replace the present regime. Those who have become very familiar, they are no more familiar with the people. So we have appealed others also. And many have responded to our appeal, especially from towns, outskirts, the minority communities, those who have started their talking with us, if they can become also strong segment of the population, especially the minority Muslim and from scheduled castes also, and Manipuris and religious minorities also. They have all started coming and talking to us so that we can make some alternative state government. And regarding that issue, it is on process. We cannot just scale it that this much, that much is with us. But we still open our heart and mind and our talking also with them. It continuously, because in politics we have to enter to a certain area where we can have good understanding with the people. That is growing on, that is on the process. Now, what we have been talking with ruling party, I will ask our senior leader, Mr. Jagadish Devarma, which we held in Guwahati. So that part is still untold. It's not secret, it is open, but we are yet to take it out and take it to the press also, so that no misunderstanding, no speculation wrongly can be arrived at any places. We are very free. We don't conceal anything, because by concealing nothing we'll achieve. So we're very, very open to our every step, because our chairman, Honorable Ishwar Maliko, had also advised. He also been advised by others, by senior and junior, mixed population and mixed ages people in our midst. We want that he should be also guided, we should be all guided together, so that we can work actively and with strong mandate we have given to the people, so that people will like to know it. And we are, on the other hand, we are responsible, and we cannot be escaped from any mistake wheresoever, whenever we commit it. So we are answerable. Therefore, we want to reveal everything true, the truth. So now I will ask Jagadish Devarma to bring about our meeting with Chief Minister of Assam and two other BJP leaders, and that talk should be taken.